Okay, now for number 16, it's asking for the for the graph that represents the inverse of the function of this. Now, make sure that you read the question carefully. We are not asking for the graph of x squared plus 3. Now, this is actually for x squared plus 3, but we are not asking for that. We are asking for the inverse of it. And how do we do that? Well, if they are both together on the same, if graphically speaking, if they are both on the same pair of axes, it will appear as if the inverse is a reflected image over y equals to x. So if you know how it looks like, it's going to be something like this, okay? And therefore, A is your inverse. So this question is about, first, do you know how to graph this little function right here, x squared plus 3? And 2, do you know how to see the inverse from a graph? Okay, do you know that an inverse is always reflected over y equals to x? And if you know, how would you sketch it? So that's the design of this question. And if you know how to graph, if you know the reflection over y equals to x, then you will be just fine.